asleep and dream about these past 3 weeks, or lie awake and dedicate our thoughts to finding what it means. But when it is all said and done, I can't think of anyone else. Nothing is just as it seems, at least that's what it seems to me. And everybody
Embrace yourself and let's take off and land to the beautiful, happiest afternoon this first birthday of Leandro. So let us all stand as we are going to welcome the celebrant together with her beautiful mommy and daddy of course. Tayo po tayong lahat. At palakpakan po natin ang ating magandang mommy Diane and daddy Wilbert together with Princess Leon and the celebrant Leandro Romic. Clap your hands please. Okay.
They will follow the flashes in the dark. They won't stop until they find where to start. One day we would find ourselves, but as we aged everything changed and we were locked by different spells. Well, love is such an abstract art and we each have a different part to play.
I know you're the joy and happiness of mommy and daddy. I pray that your mom will be proud of you and your daddy will be proud of you as everyone. And also, continue to be a happy meal for them.
I wish this is going to start with everything. The first day, every day, you'll be such a nice day. And I hope for the parents as well.
May this symbolize as your dream and may you reach that goal and reach high. I know that behind and every ladder that you will go, your mom and your dad together with your sister, for sure, and with God's guidance, I know you will reach your dreams and your heart's desire.
Good health. Naka-reach na yung mga goal na nagpatakas namin. Matapos na mag-aaral. Happy birthday.
Robbie, happy first birthday. Kani kung may nung gulapuan. Kung anong ginasok-sok mo sa buong, kani maabot ko.
We would like him to soar high and dream higher. But of course, if he might fall, that's a possibility. But we will ensure that us parents and friends and families will be there with him to help him soar higher.
They will follow the flashes in the dark. They won't stop until they find where to start.
Birthday to you, happy birthday.